In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a conversion event tag in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to install your Google tag, and how to start tracking the actions that matter on your website. First, open your Google Ads account and head to Goals on the left. Then choose Conversions and select Summary. This is your central place for setting up and monitoring conversion tracking. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Google's interface can vary a bit, but the path is the same. Next, click Create Conversion Action. You'll be guided through selecting what you want to measure. Most advertisers start with website actions, things like purchases, signups, or button clicks. So select Website and enter your site's URL. Google will use this to help you set up the tag correctly for your pages. Now it's time to install your Google tag. Click on Tools on the left, then select Data Manager. Find your Google tag and click Manage. In the Tag workspace, go to the Admin tab and choose Install this Google tag. You'll see two installation options. If you use a website builder or a content management system, pick that option and follow the prompts for your platform. If you prefer to install it manually, copy the code Google provides and paste it on every page of your website, immediately after the opening head element. If your site uses a template or theme, add it once to the global header so it appears across all pages. Make sure you don't install it twice. Duplicate tags can cause inaccurate data. After the tag is installed, return to Goals, then Conversions, and back to Summary. Here, you can start creating your conversion event tags and organizing them into categories. Give each conversion a clear name. Choose a category like Purchase or Lead so your reports are easy to read, and confirm any values or counting options that make sense for your business. This is where your setup becomes actionable, turning raw site activity into measurable results inside Google Ads. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Publish any site changes if you use a CMS so the tag goes live, and consider using Google Tag Assistant to verify that your tag is firing correctly. It may take a little time for Google Ads to detect and confirm the tag, so don't be alarmed if verification isn't instant. That's it. You've navigated to conversions, created a conversion action, installed your Google tag, and you're ready to build conversion event tags and categories for accurate tracking.